Hi, Mark Diaz here for 2danimation101.com. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to do replacement animation, which inside CrazyTalk Animator is called changing sprites. This is what we have. If I play this animation in the project file I prepared for you, this is replacement animation start. This is what we have. This motion clip is called blowing up a kiss, right? And she's giving a kiss. Mwah. But what if, as you can see, the hands change. You see? It goes like this. Right now we have this hand, and then it's going to change. Let me get the timeline. Okay? Then it's going to change. You see? There's a change in the hand, in both hands actually. And then she blows up the kiss, and then she returns to this hand. That is called replacement animation or changing sprites. Okay? And now, what if I want to change it and do something like this? Let's open the finished version, what we are gonna be doing. And what if I do something like this? Instead of blowing a kiss, she sticks something out of her ear. Like, oops, I got something. Ugh. Okay? What if she does something like that? Well, we can just change each hand. You see, she's like, she takes something out and then she throws it away. Well, let me show you how to do that. I'm gonna open again the start project. No, I mean replacement animation start. And then let me show the timeline, and I'm going to hide the project right here. And then I select the character. And check this out. In motion, again, remember motion, and it shows all the keyframes of the body, okay? And so far, we've learned how to use the transform row, which shows all the keyframes of the bones, then the layer, which shows all the keyframes from this function, remember? When you can put a hand in front and behind the face, right? And now I'm going to show you the sprite, okay? That is going to be shown in here. And from the tools, we've learned how to use this one, which shows all the bones, right? And then this one, which shows the layers. And now I'm going to show you how to use the sprites, okay? Let me select the character. I have it selected. And then I click on the sprites. And now I can select any part of her body. In this case, I'm going to select the right hand. Look, it's going to be changing. Let me move this. And it changes from this hand to this one. Now, supposedly, I should be showing this hand, but the motion clip is showing this hand. I can override that. How? Well, just by checking any other hand I want. So for this, when she's lifting her hand around here, I'm going to change it to number 7. Okay? Do I want that one? No, number 19. Okay? So check this out. Now is overriding that. Okay? She's now with the hand like this, ready to stick something out of her ear. And then she takes it with this. The other ones have the hand facing out. And I want the hand facing in, so it's number 15. Yes. It's like this. And then she takes something, and then she drops it here. Let's see what hand can we use. We can use that one, but I want a more discussed hand. This one. So she's like, she takes something and yuck. And then I want her to return to the original hand. How? Well, I can just click here, this function will stop modifying the sprites. Check this out. I click it, boom, and now it stops my sprite effects. And now in all this section, it won't show anything and will show the original hands used from the motion clip. Okay? Check this out. Now, she sticks something out of her ear. You see? That is replacement animation. Nice. That's it for this lesson. Now, in the next one, we are going to cover one final useful feature to improve the animation of adjustment of motion clips. See you in the next lesson.